What's up, guys? It's Raf in the Rafcave, and thanks for stopping by to check out this video. I'm here to talk to you about one of my little secrets in the Rafcave. What I use to prop up some of my subs, prop up my TV, prop up my equipment in my theater room to get ventilation, prop up my router. It's fantastic. And there's multiple purposes, multiple uses for this. You can prop up furniture, use it for painting stuff. I mean, imagination's the limit. These things are built like a tank. They're super strong, but have this nice rubber padding on top and bottom to give it that non-slip feel to it. Very sturdy. So I got these at Menards. And I'll leave a link in the description below. But by the way, welcome to my channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, I appreciate it if you subscribe. I do home theater inspiration videos, unboxings, trailer reactions, and game content. So if you're into that stuff, boom, appreciate it. Like this video, share, and comment below if this is something that you could probably use, or if you're using these already, let me know. So these go for $2.99 each. So depending on how many you need, do the math, right? I have quite a few in my basement. I'm going to take you for a little tour to show you where I'm using these guys in the Rafcave, to give you some ideas. So yeah, I'll leave the link below from Menards, but these guys are awesome. I love them. All right, guys, I'll show you what I'm using them for, and maybe you can use them in your own theater. All right, let's go for that tour. All right, guys, so before I take you on the tour, I'm going to show you a close-up of the box. So it's called TriGrips. Don't let your work piece slip. Milescraft makes them. But they're really cool little devices. Little description there. It's in Spanish, of course. There's lots of cool ways to use these things. But I love them. They do a great thing for me. All right, let's go on that tour. All right, guys, so on the bottom of my clip sub, I have one for each leg. Okay. So that elevates the sub off the floor. Now, my back clip subs, got 4 more there. Elevate the subs off the floor. Do a great job of that. See? And I put that book underneath because carpet absorbs the base a little bit. So if you have a down-firing sub, I recommend putting something a little bit flat to improve that bass response. Some right there for my little tripod webcam. Couple more for my tablet to be more upright and non-slip. There's the big one here, guys. Look at that stack. Elevating my OLED. They do a fantastic job. No slip, completely strong. They do the job well. Now for all you ventilation fans of equipment, there you go. Everything elevated for nice ventilation. Amazing, right? That's all you need. And this is what I use for my router, which, you know, this is temporary. This router will become a node once again later today, and you'll see why in my future video. All right, guys, so that is my tour of all the TriGrips that I have in the Rafcave. They do an excellent job. They've done a great thing for me. All right, guys, check them out. They're at Menards. They come in a box of, I believe, like 18 or something, 12. There you go. So they come in like a box. Like they probably give you like, let's see, I'd say 12 in a box. About 12 in a box. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. You guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one. Home theater rules. Rafcave out.